another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pom-pom with yarn. And what you're going to need is a pom-pom maker. Today I'm using a pom-pom maker by Clover USA, and this is the large size. It comes in small, extra small, small, medium, and large sizes. And this is what's basically used to make the pom-pom. Some yarn. I'm using Big Twist and Gold, and a pair of scissors. And it's super simple. Even if you don't knit or crochet, just a little DIY how to make a pom-pom. So basically you're going to take the pom-pom maker and open it up like this. You can open one side at a time. Basically all you have to know how to do is wrap yarn around this and cut. So even your kids can do it with some supervision. Here, this is what I do. Usually I just tie it around like this. So you have that. And then you're just gonna wrap. You're just gonna keep wrapping around this. Sorry. That one over there. Okay. You're just gonna wrap it around this. And basically just make sure there are no spaces in between. Just make it, if you want a fuller pom, if you want something that's less thick, then you can just leave the spaces, but I want it to be like a full pom, so just gonna wrap it around, all the way until this end here. All you're doing is just wrapping. Wrap it, keep wrapping it around. And then you're just gonna wrap around again over this yarn. I'm gonna wrap around. I usually do about 6 rounds. So that was one, this is the second round, and then you'll go back a third time, a fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and then I'll meet you back for the next part. So again, what we're gonna do is just tie a knot like so, and just pull so that this is secure, so like this. And you want to wrap tightly too, so that it's snug on here. Just wrap, keep wrapping. So that was my first round. I'm going to go back and do this 5 more times. And remember that you want to do, you want to wrap around exactly the same number of times as you did on the previous side. So we're doing it 6 times, so that was second, my third time. I'll meet you back once we've completed 6 rounds. Alright, so I've finished wrapping 6 times. You can see that's pretty thick. And then I'm going to cut a little bit of a tail, like maybe 4 to 5 inches. And then I'm going to wrap one more time. And then what I usually do is I'll pull up the last wraparound that I did. So I'll leave it a little bit loose, and then I'll come back in and just put this tail through and pull. So then this is secure here. So that's one side. Then you're going to repeat that on the second side as well. Exactly what I did here. And I'll meet you back. So I wrapped around 6 times with yarn on both sides, and just kind of tied it off a little bit at the ends. Now basically what you have to do is just take your scissors, go through in the middle, and just cut. That's one side, but make sure you want to hold it tight so that it doesn't come undone. Just cut across the middle like this. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. That's why it's important to supervise if your children are doing it. Maybe you can do this part for them. And then this is what it'll look like. Now the next part, basically what you have to do is just take your yarn, take like a long piece here, leave some on the side, like, and then just hold the middle, and then you're gonna put it through the space here, and then we're just gonna tie. You'll have a long tail here, and then another long tail here. I'm gonna cut this off too, so that you have 2 long tails hanging off here, and just tie it. And you're gonna squeeze it really tight. Just tie it and just squeeze tight, and then do the same on this side. Wrap it around again and just tie it really tight. And I'm going to do it one more time just to be safe, so that it's all there. Alright, so I've tied it really tight. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to take this off here, and then you're going to open this up here as well, and just pull it apart, and here's your pom. So that's how you make the pom pom. And now we want to make sure we're trimming it, so that this is kind of the hard part, because it's hard to make it even sometimes, but you can try your best. Just see wherever there are any like, if you can see here, it's not uniform. This is a little bit bigger, so you just want to trim that off like that. And then I have these 2 pieces here that are hanging off. Doesn't have to be perfect, because, you know, poms are fun, and they don't have to be perfect. But any little extra pieces you see, just cut them off. You're going to trim the pom so that you can just make it a little bit more uniform. More circle. There we go. See? There's some extras here. Just trimming, and then we just want to do this so that you fluff it up, and then again see if there are any other extras that you can trim off. That's just guesswork, really. I mean, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So, there you go. That's how you make a pom, and you can get this pom pom maker. You should be able to get it from your local craft store. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna link the Amazon link below, and you can grab it from there as well. It's by a company called Clover USA. They have a bunch of great crafting products and tools. Okay, I'm gonna stop before my pom disappears. So that's how you make the pom. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And I'm gonna link to the second part, which is how to turn this pom-pom, how to make multiple pom-poms and turn them into a garland. So make sure to watch that video as well. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.